Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to unpin a channel on WhatsApp. Whether you've pinned a channel for easy access and now want to remove it, or just need to reorganize your updates, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Updates tab. This is where all your channels are listed, including any pinned ones at the top of the list. Now, locate the channel that you want to unpin. Pinned channels are marked with a pin icon next to their name, making them easy to spot. Once you've found the channel, long press on it. This action will reveal a menu at the top of your screen. Next, look for the pin icon at the top of the menu bar. Tap on this pin icon, and just like that, the channel will be unpinned. It will no longer appear at the top of your Updates tab, but will remain accessible in its regular position within your list. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to unpin a channel on WhatsApp. Managing your channels has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.